Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Arthritis, a common condition affecting millions worldwide, can significantly impact one's daily life by causing pain, stiffness, and reduced joint mobility. From simple tasks like walking and climbing stairs, to more complex activities such as cooking or playing sports, arthritis can make even the simplest movements challenging and painful. This chronic condition not only affects physical health, but also takes a toll on mental well-being, leading to frustration and a decreased quality of life. In the quest for relief, many individuals turn to natural remedies as a safe and effective alternative to traditional medications. Natural remedies offer a holistic approach to managing arthritis symptoms by addressing the root cause of inflammation and joint pain. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs that may come with side effects and long-term risks, natural remedies provide a gentle yet potent solution that supports overall joint health without harmful consequences. The benefits of using natural remedies for arthritis relief are vast and encompass various aspects of well-being, from reducing inflammation and swelling to improving joint flexibility and mobility. Natural remedies offer a comprehensive approach to managing joint pain and discomfort. By incorporating natural supplements, herbal remedies, and lifestyle changes into their daily routine, individuals can experience significant improvements in their arthritis symptoms and overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore the effectiveness of natural remedies in managing joint pain and enhancing joint health. Join us as we delve into the world of natural arthritis relief and discover how simple yet powerful remedies can make a profound difference in your journey toward a pain-free and active lifestyle. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Top 5 natural remedies for arthritis relief. 1. Turmeric. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is a popular natural remedy for arthritis relief. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation in the joints, alleviating pain and stiffness. To experience its benefits, consider adding turmeric to your diet or taking a turmeric supplement. A typical dosage is 500-1000 mg of curcumin daily, but consult a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil is a powerful natural remedy for arthritis due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s help reduce joint pain and improve joint function by decreasing inflammation. Consider incorporating fish oil supplements into your daily routine with a recommended 1000-2000 mg daily dosage. Consult a healthcare provider to determine the proper dosage for your needs. Ginger. Widely used for its medicinal properties, ginger is another effective natural remedy for arthritis relief. Ginger contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain in the joints. You can enjoy ginger by adding it to your meals, drinking tea, or taking ginger supplements. A typical dosage is 2-4 grams of ginger daily, but consult a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. Epsom salt. Epsom salt baths are a soothing natural remedy for arthritis relief, as the magnesium in Epsom salt helps relax muscles and reduce joint pain. Add Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for 15-20 minutes to experience its benefits. Consult with a healthcare provider for guidance on the frequency and duration of Epsom salt baths for optimal relief. Boswellia. Also known as Indian frankincense, Boswellia is an herbal remedy used for centuries to alleviate arthritis symptoms. Boswellia extract contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce joint pain and improve mobility. Consider taking Boswellia supplements as directed by a healthcare professional to experience its full benefits. Before trying any new natural remedy for arthritis relief, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it is safe and appropriate for your individual needs. By incorporating these top 5 natural remedies into your arthritis management plan, you can take proactive steps toward reducing pain, improving joint function, and enhancing your overall quality of life. Natural remedies for rheumatoid arthritis. Pain relief. Rheumatoid arthritis, RA, is a chronic autoimmune condition that causes joint inflammation, leading to pain, swelling, and stiffness. Unlike other types of arthritis, such as osteoarthritis, primarily due to wear and tear on the joints, RA is characterized by the immune system attacking the body's tissues. Managing RA requires a comprehensive approach, addressing the underlying inflammation and the symptoms associated with joint damage. Natural remedies tailored for rheumatoid arthritis pain management focus on reducing inflammation and alleviating joint pain to improve overall quality of life. Many natural remedies, such as turmeric, fish oil, and ginger, offer potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate the inflammatory response in the joints characteristic of RA. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can support joint health and reduce pain associated with RA flare-ups. Consistency is key when using natural remedies for long-term relief from rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. While these remedies may not provide immediate results like pharmaceutical medications, their cumulative effects can significantly improve joint pain and inflammation. By incorporating natural remedies into your daily routine and sticking to a consistent regimen, you can experience sustained relief from RA symptoms and better manage the condition in the long run. This video will delve into natural remedies explicitly tailored for rheumatoid arthritis pain relief. Join us as we explore the anti-inflammatory properties of these remedies, discuss the importance of consistency in their usage, and learn how to incorporate them effectively into your arthritis management plan for improved joint health and overall well-being. Natural remedies for osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint disease characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in the joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Unlike inflammatory forms of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis is primarily a result of wear and tear on the joints over time. Natural remedies play a crucial role in managing osteoarthritis symptoms and slowing down the progression of the disease by targeting inflammation, supporting joint health, and promoting overall well-being. Nutrition and supplements are significant in managing osteoarthritis symptoms and supporting joint health. Certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil, glucosamine, and chondroitin, have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve joint function, and alleviate pain associated with osteoarthritis. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet through food sources or supplements can help support cartilage health and reduce the impact of osteoarthritis on your joints. In addition to nutrition and supplements, lifestyle changes can complement natural remedies for better results in managing osteoarthritis. Regular exercise, particularly low-impact activities like swimming or cycling, can help improve joint flexibility, strengthen muscles around the joints, and reduce pain. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular physical activity can also alleviate pressure on the joints and slow the progression of osteoarthritis. By combining natural remedies, proper nutrition, supplements, and lifestyle changes, individuals with osteoarthritis can effectively manage their symptoms, improve joint health, and enhance their overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore the various natural remedies that target osteoarthritis symptoms and progression, discuss the role of nutrition and supplements in managing the condition, and provide practical tips for incorporating lifestyle changes to complement natural remedies for optimal results. Natural remedies for joint pain. Joint pain can significantly impact daily life, making simple tasks like walking, bending, or even sitting uncomfortable and challenging. Fortunately, various natural remedies can reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and enhance overall joint health. From herbal supplements to hot-cold therapy and acupuncture, incorporating these natural remedies into your routine can relieve and support joint function. Herbal supplements such as turmeric, ginger, and boswellia are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. These natural remedies target joint pain's underlying causes, such as inflammation and oxidative stress, to alleviate discomfort and improve joint mobility. Consider incorporating these herbal supplements into your daily regimen to experience their benefits for joint health. Hot and cold therapy is another effective natural remedy for managing joint pain. Applying heat packs or warm baths can help relax muscles, improve blood flow, and reduce joint stiffness. Conversely, cold therapy, such as ice packs or cold compresses, can help numb pain, reduce swelling, and alleviate joint inflammation. Alternating between hot and cold therapy can relieve and promote healing in sore and achy joints. In addition to herbal supplements and hot-cold therapy, incorporating gentle exercises into your routine can strengthen joints, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. Low-impact activities like swimming, yoga, or Tai Chi can help maintain joint mobility and reduce stiffness without putting excessive strain on the joints. Regular exercise can also help manage weight, crucial for alleviating joint stress and reducing pain. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for joint health, as excess weight can put added pressure on the joints, leading to increased pain and discomfort. By incorporating natural remedies, gentle exercises, and maintaining a healthy weight, individuals can effectively manage joint pain, improve mobility, and enhance their overall quality of life. In this video, we will explore a range of natural remedies for joint pain, provide tips on incorporating gentle exercises, and stressed the importance of maintaining a healthy weight to alleviate joint stress and discomfort for long-term relief. Home remedies for knee pain. Knee pain can be a common and debilitating issue that affects individuals of all ages, limiting mobility and causing discomfort. Fortunately, simple yet effective home remedies can relieve and support knee pain healing. From turmeric paste to Epsom salt soaks and essential oil massages, incorporating these remedies into your daily routine can help alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and improve knee function. Turmeric paste, made by mixing turmeric powder with water to form a paste, is a potent anti-inflammatory remedy that can help reduce swelling and pain in the knees. Applying turmeric paste directly to the affected area and leaving it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off can provide relief and promote healing. The curcumin in turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate knee pain and support joint health. Epsom salt soaks are another effective home remedy for knee pain relief. Soaking your knees in warm water mixed with Epsom salt can help relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which can be absorbed through the skin and help soothe sore and achy knees. Soaking your knees for 15-20 minutes a few times a week can relieve and promote healing in the affected area. Essential oil massages, using oils like lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus, can help reduce pain and inflammation in the knees. Diluting essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and gently massaging the affected area can improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and relieve knee pain. Regular essential oil massages can help support healing and improve knee function over time. In addition to these home remedies, proper knee care techniques and exercises can help manage pain and improve mobility. Strengthening exercises, such as leg lifts, squats, and gentle stretches, can help support the knee joint and reduce pain. Creating a knee-friendly environment at home, with supportive footwear, ergonomic furniture, and non-slip surfaces, can also help prevent further injury and support healing. By incorporating these home remedies and exercises and creating a knee-friendly environment, individuals can effectively manage knee pain, improve mobility, and support healing for long-term relief. Natural remedies are crucial in managing arthritis and joint pain, offering safe and effective alternatives to traditional medications. From turmeric and fish oil to Epsom salt baths and essential oil massages, incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and improve joint health. By addressing the root causes of arthritis and focusing on holistic approaches to pain management, individuals can experience significant improvements in their symptoms and overall quality of life. It is important to remember that while natural remedies can be beneficial, consulting with a healthcare professional is essential before trying out any new remedy. Professional guidance ensures that the remedies are safe and appropriate for your needs, maximizing their effectiveness and minimizing potential risks. We encourage you to take action toward arthritis relief by incorporating the discussed natural remedies into your arthritis management plan. Whether adding turmeric to your meals, soaking in Epsom salt baths, or trying out essential oil massages, these simple yet powerful remedies can make a profound difference in your journey toward a pain-free and active lifestyle. To stay updated on more tips and information on arthritis relief, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these natural remedies. By spreading awareness and promoting engagement, we can reach a wider audience and empower more individuals to take control of their arthritis symptoms and improve their overall well-being. Together, let's take proactive steps towards managing arthritis and joint pain naturally for a healthier and happier future.